Morning! I have this very mysterious McDonald's cup. I got a McDonald's water so I could make my morning energy drink. The room is a wee bit messy. Sophia and I are going to clean it up. And then we are headed to the big house. I'm so excited. I realized I only brought 2 sleeping shirts. So yet again, I am in the chicken shirt. There's actually a washer and dryer. So I think I'm gonna do a small load of laundry at the house. Yeah, I'm gonna put some makeup on and let's get packed up. Sophia and I taking aesthetic pic of our hair.
our hair clumps.
Our shedding piles. All packed up.
Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe it to get away. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi for weight. Don't step out the line.
We are going to the Bottega on Central.
This for the time, got time for no day. War. Too many.
Got my food. I tried the vegetarian sandwich. It's got like tofu, jicama. It looks pretty good.
Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Think of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco.
Whoa. Wait, is this Arvid's crib?
One of them.
Mind how shiny I am, but we just got to the house. It is insane. I'm so excited. You guys, this is our place for the next 4 days. That view though. Y'all, this is unreal. That's a liability. Got some Pikachu comfy pants. We are about to get some dinner. I got a fatty plate of pasta and I'm so excited. I also got some garlic bread and gonna take some pictures in the pool tonight and also just hang out in the pool. I need a relaxation day. Well, we have this cup here to save beetles because they keep committing beetleside. The beetle rescue cup. You guys, I rarely get my head wet. Hair wet, head wet. This pool is amazing. I am hitting the hay. Good night, you guys. Sorry, I have my Invisaligns in. I just applied something that I'm coming out with. I'm so excited. Good morning. Okay, but I could get used to this view, y'all. Hi, you guys. Hello, my friend. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't had a toasted bagel in 3 days. We've got a man's cleaning. He's skimming the pool. Getting some work done really quick. Ready. I just need to do my hair because I just Dysoned it quick last night. We're about to shoot some content. So we have a realtor coming to show off the space. But gonna get some work done really quick before she gets here. Just got changed. Have a super cute skirt. We're headed to get some lunch and then Madison's coming to meet us at the house. It was pretty crazy driving through these neighborhoods and seeing the destruction from Hurricane Ian in juxtaposition to these massive modern mansions that were being built, but it was wild. There was even a sailboat in somebody's front lawn. Headed to get some lunch. How long do you think my hair is gonna stay curled?
How long do you think my hair's gonna stay straight?
I give us both
5 minutes.
Yeah, I was thinking 5 minutes too. Green bathroom. It's like neutralizing my hair. Taking some pictures. It is so pretty. Can finally unload my suitcase. How do I organize that? This looks relatively organized. we out here. Losing this earring.
I'm gonna cry, my diamond earring.
Hold on.
The little nub keeps falling off. Hello, hello. He's finally out. I went to show Madison him. Yeah. To go get some dinner. Matches my nails.
That's mine.
Very aesthetic. We're going to CVS with 2 ex-Walgreens employees. Just got to dinner, gonna head into the pool for a minute and then hit the hay because I'm exhausted. Oh, you guys, it is hot this morning. Let's see if our iguana friend is here. He's not out. Finished getting ready though, and this is like my content day, so I'm gonna be shooting look after look after look. Let's go ahead, get changed, and I'm gonna shoot a bunch of stuff at the reflection. Yes. We out here taking pictures. It is very, very warm. There is a gentle light breeze, I will say. You guys, just came in. So warm outside. I just filmed some stuff for my spicy channel. Really excited about it, but oh my God. It's gonna be a shiny day, y'all. It's gonna be a shiny cakey day because if I keep applying powder over sweat, it's just gonna get worse. This is one of the bikinis I just shot. That's usually how it goes. I like to lay out all of my outfits and like accessories and such to try to get it organized. I'm struggling with what to pair with this. Ooh, maybe a red bikini, dark red. PB&J. Oh my God, I got peanut butter.
4 slices of
Flashed our tatas.
Oh my God.
To a giant yacht that passed by.
We were trying to get a free ride.
So nobody lived in the house right next door because of the hurricane damage, but these burrowed owls were living there and they were so freaking cute. At one point there were 3 of them and they would come out at night and I could hear them hooing. It was the coolest. Just taking pictures outside and my own toenail. Bruised the shit out of myself. Taking a little break from photos because I just found that there are 2 bikes in the garage. I haven't ridden a bike for a minute. Let's go. Oh, let me put my hair up. Hot, hot, hot. We're gonna make some food, which I'm excited for. Mashed potatoes, baby. And then hopefully chill in the pool. It's been kind of on and off raining, so I'm out of breath. It's too hot. I'm sweating. Right there. Things just got hectic. Our flight might be getting canceled. Fingers crossed it doesn't, but there is a hurricane that is coming north. We're trying to figure it out. What are we cooking, Madison? Potatoes. Mashed potatoes, green beans, and well, we're not eating the steak.
Who's mashing potatoes?
I have my sous chef. He is helping me with the green beans. The table set. Over here, green beans, baby. And look. Ah. Bam, baby. All right, you guys. Booked a flight for tomorrow. We're drinking a pina colada.
This is forecast now. Brand new cone.
That's what we're trying to avoid. About to go in the pool. It is me last bag on the floor. Hello. Oops. I have spent the last 20 minutes reviewing this footage trying to find the dolphins. If you guys can see them, I'm so distracted by the waves, but there were dolphins. I saw them with my own eyes. It was really cool. Leaving the amazing bathroom. But I'm glad we got a flight because the news is saying that the hurricane might turn into a category 3 instead of a 1 or 2. So glad that we got a flight home so I can see my fur babies. Goodbye to this view. So pretty. And all of the furniture so it doesn't get ruined in the storm. Bye, beautiful house. Low-key looks like Sudoku. Hello? Wait, it's bingo. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. How is that not bingo? Oh my god, we didn't go to bingo, you guys. I'm so sad now. Wawa. Just dropped off the rental, got all of our stuff. It is a shit show around here. All the gas stations are completely backed up. We just said it and couldn't even fill up the car. It is wild. People had like all of their gas cans and stuff.
The main terminal station.
I saw a TSA agent and he said that we made the right call because the airport is closing tonight at 12 and not opening up. I like how I cut myself off. He was saying that they don't know when they're gonna reopen the airport, so we probably wouldn't be able to get home for like another 5 to 6 days, and I'm just not willing to risk that. I need to be home with my kitties. So thankfully we were able to pick another flight. Kitty Tom made it back. Did you meet the mama? What, baby? What? Oh, it's my Jade. Oh, he went out of bed. Oh, you were grumpy. and then Pickles. Yeah.
Oh, Big John.
She is out. Oh, you heard me. Did you miss Mama, PG?
How about you? Did you meet the mama?
You got what food as soon as I came home. So good. It's all over your face. It feels so good to be home with this adorable and that adorable creature. I'm so thankful we were able to get a new flight. I made it back just in time, sending all of my love and positivity to those who were affected by the hurricane. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys and I will see you next time.